The question is Apollo Limited issued 21,008% debentures of 100 each on 1st April 2011, redeemable at a premium of 8% on 30th June 2017. And the last line tells us pass necessary journal entries regarding issue, transfer to debenture redemption reserve, investment and redemption of debentures. This is journal entries of Apollo Limited. We have date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit columns, and in the date column we have 2011 is the year, and in the debit and credit column we have rupee symbols. The starting point is issued on 1st April 2011, that is bank account debited, hence the date is on April 1, 2011. Bank account debited rupees 21 lakh to debenture application account rupees 21 lakh. Being debenture application money received on 21,000, 8% debentures of 100 each, that is rupees 21 lakh. Then on the same date due entry, that is debenture application account debited rupees 21 lakhs. Loss on issue of debenture account debited, that is 8% of rupees 21 lakhs. Rupees 1,68,000 to 8% debentures account rupees 21 lakhs to premium on redemption of a debenture account, that is again 8% of rupees 21 lakh, that is rupees 1,68,000. Being debenture application money due on 21,000, 8% debentures of rupees 100 each, redeemable at a premium of 8%. Next one is on 31st March 2015, you have to go back to the question book and see the company decided to transfer the required amount to debenture redemption reserve in 3 annual equal installments with 31st March 2015. Hence on 31st March 2015, it is balance in statement of a profit and loss debited or surplus debited to debenture redemption reserve account, being required amount transferred to debenture redemption reserve, that is rupees 21 lakhs, its 25% is the required amount, and in 3 equal installment divided by 3, rupees 1,75,000. This amount and this entry will be repeated for the year 2016 and 17, same amount. We have transferred in 3 installments. Then due entry April 30, debenture redemption investment account debited to bank. We invested, being 15% of the face value of debentures invested in DRI, that is debenture redemption investment account, rupees 21 lakhs at the rate of 15%, that is rupees 3,15,000 in each column, debit and credit. Then we have to take out the money before redemption, that is on June 30, the date of redemption. Bank account debited to debenture redemption investment account, that is rupees 3,15,000 in the debit and credit column. Being invested amount now encashed for redemption. The next one is balance in statement of profit and loss account debited to premium on redemption of debentures, being premium on redemption provided, it is 8% of rupees 21 lakhs. This entry is not there in this book, but I have provided because premium is to be provided out of the profits if available, otherwise the redemption cannot be done. Next one is due entry for redemption. This is 8% debentures account debited rupees 21 lakh, premium on redemption of a debentures account debited rupees 1,68,000 to debenture holders account, that is rupees 22,68,000, being rupees 21 lakh, 8% debentures of rupees 10 each due for redemption at a premium of 8%. This is due entry for redemption of debentures after June 30. Debenture holders account debited to bank account, being debenture holders paid for redemption, that is 22,68,000 both in the debit and credit column. And the last one is we paid the debenture holders, and this date we have redeemed all the debentures. Hence our debenture redemption reserve account debited to general reserve account, being the debenture redemption reserve account is closed by transferring it to general reserve account. You see, is the total amount 21 lakh multiplied by 25%, that is rupees 5,25,000. We have to total the journal, that is coming to be rupees 1,07,52,000, both debit column as well as credit column, and this is the final answer.